Hi, this is with Lock, and for this video I am featuring this nice little Brinks padlock. Like I said, it is fairly small. What is not small about this Brinks was the price tag. This lock was, I believe, about $26 from Menards. So it doesn't get a whole lot better as far as how the lock feels in your hand. I have quite a few locks that I like to pick through, and I really have to say this one's a real pleasure to hold. It's just really nice and smooth on the edges, and it's got a nice little weight to it. It really feels good. So unfortunately it costs quite a bit of money, so especially for the security that you get. So it feels really nice. So let's see what it takes to pick into it. I will use bottom of the keyway tensioning, and I will use this Peterson hook in 15 thousandths. This is hook number 7. Try to keep it in frame as I pick here. Alright, let's see what it takes. A little bit of tension. Kind of work my way to the back there. Alright. Back pin. This is advertised as a high security lock, and it's priced as a high security lock. So should give us a fight, right? Okay, start over. And we are open. Okay. Alright. Drop pins. So I didn't feel any security pins with this one, unfortunately. I think it's all standard pins, so it makes it a little bit of a challenge to get it unlocked, but really for $26, I don't know if it has quite the level of security that I would expect for a lock at that price point. Agree, disagree? In any case, this is the little shiny, feels nice in the hand Brinks padlock. Peace.